That's what I'm seeing at the moment on. If you look on Bitcoin more than anything, um, yeah, I'll go on to the higher time frames. I can see what I'm seeing because at the moment there's 3 month. It's mighty stretched away from the MAs, and even if it was to pull off and go higher, how much higher would that go? It might be a final hurrah. That is not a nice looking candle on the 3 month, which closes in. Bear with me. Which closes in 14 days. So again, we're going off candles that haven't closed yet, but this monthly candle here, it's horrendous. If it closes like that, doesn't look good. Interesting enough, these EMAs are very, very respected time and time again. If we drop down to like the weekly, okay, fair enough. We're looking like we're holding the EMA there. We could push higher. Same could be said on the 2 week, but I think it's bullshit at the moment. Now, if we go down onto something like the daily, hitting these EMAs, rejecting, and for me personally, this candle here is in an uptrend, and this candle. So this is the uptrend, boom, 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 etc., etc. Yeah, that's the uptrend. This candle killed absolutely took out all the lows. So this is the higher low, this is a higher high, this is a lower low. Now I think we're making a failed higher high or higher low, and we started a new downtrend. That's what I think right now, and I think these little moves up here, are bullshit right now. Can't be too sure until it happens. This could actually still be a new uptrend like that, but I think it's bullshit personally. And more than anything, I'm not long. I've got some cryptos, but I'm not mostly long because this is very concerning for me. This up here. This is way overstretched. Like this is silly. Again, it could push up higher, but I can't see it. I think we're going to get some weird candle like this. Let's have a look on along the chart. Same again, like whenever it's stretched too far above it, it's smashed straight down. Now, if we have a look at some other, 1 second, let's fucking stop now. Now, if we have a look at some other alts, like ETH, for example, like come on, look at this. That's a bearish candle, and this is just like so stretched from the EMA. Like it's so stretched. We have a look at some total market cap, for example, which is, I don't know where it is, maybe on here, maybe it's on here, I don't know where it's gone. Also, I want to just show you something as well. Like it's a very, very similar pattern with gold on the shorter terms, where we had this very similar actually. So gold structure here, new uptrend, blah blah blah, high low, boom. So that's in green. What happened was it found some liquidity, which is up here, and then let's put it on the daily so it's a little bit clearer to see. You had this one candle that killed the structure, right? Took it all out, took out these lows with conviction, pushed up a little bit, and boom, straight down. I think we're going to have something like that with Bitcoin right now, where we've hit this level here, which is where I was longing to, tagged it. It's probably some significant fib level. There you go, 61, and we're going to push down. That's what I think is going to happen right now. Because for me, this uptrend here has been violated, like clearly, and it's just going to absolutely tank. It could tank to about 40 and hold up there, but I'm pretty sure that this 3 month is going to come into fruition at some point. And all these shorter term moves right now are just luring people in. That's what I think right now. The altcoin, shit, sorry. I'll have a look at the total cap real quick. Which one's that? Excluding Bitcoin and. Oh, that's interesting. I'll have a look at that as well. 3 total caps there. Total 2. All right. So this one, put RSI on it. 3-month candle, mad overstretched. Madly overstretched. Last time I overstretched like this, you had that. And monthly candle. I mean, not particularly that bearish right now. It's got a closed bearish, but it hasn't been able to make new highs. Let's try this one. Same again, really. Monthly. I think this move is bullshit. I think it's a bear trap. This is just look at that. That's ridiculous. Like I'm not buying into that. And then same with this. It looks like a bear trap. In all honesty, a bull trap, not a bear trap. Sorry. Is there anything else to have a look at? No, I think that's it. And then also I've had a hypothesis on this, like, that we need an Elliott wave correction. Let me clear some of this so you can see, because it's a bit of a mess. Right, on the weekly, pretty sure that this is a 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4, and we're in some sort of ABC correction. That this was an this is an A, B, C, this is an A, B, C. We're going to get A, B, C back down to 20K region, something like that. Let me get rid of these so it's a little bit clearer. And then the reasoning for that is the fibs. The fibs more than anything. But then there's lots of confluence. So this only corrected to 23.60, which is just bullshit. Like that's not really. The fourth wave should correct to at least a 38.20 at least. As you can see here, this tapped the 60-61, which is the golden pocket ratio. I think this is, which is also very significant, very normal for a B wave. I think this is gonna like tank back down to here. Now, if we go even onto the MAs as well, we can have a look at where we think it's going to go down to. All right, that's the 50, 55. Sorry, the 20 MA for the monthly. Kind of makes sense, right? For it to go back down. So it could, 27's there. The final place it could go down to is here, which is the 55, and it's in this beautiful area of liquidity, which also on the fibs is the 61.80. So somewhere between here, something like that. But this also could push up for one final hurrah up to 80K. Definitely could easily push up to 80K just to get people sucked in at the final overstretch move before it tanks. Literally something like that. Bang up to there, then back down. But I think it's just too risky to be buying right now, so I'm not. And I'll leave it there. Cool.